Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the sniping tool is not working on your computer right now, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to perform a clean boot on the system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, click on apply. OK, and then restart the system. Now, why are we performing clean boot? Because the main reason for problems with the sniping tool is that people install third-party screenshot software products, and they're actually better than the sniping tool. But when you do that, think about it. The shortcut for the sniping tool is the same as the shortcut for the screenshot tools, and their procedure, everything is the same. So what would be given preference? Obviously, the third party software would be getting preference. So in this case, we have to remove them, and a clean boot will help you isolate this cause. After that, you can uninstall the conflicting software. And how would you do that? So to uninstall the conflicting software, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select apps. Let us say that the conflicting software is ShareX because it's a screenshot tool. Click on the three dots associated with it, select uninstall and hit uninstall once again to remove it from your system. And lastly, you can perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to run an SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.